Hello, in this video, I'll be treating the setting, style and language used by Frank Ogbeche in Harvest of Corruption. For the setting, the play is set in Nigeria. It is set in the fictitious location in Abuja of Nigeria. There are names mentioned in the play that actually suggests real life places in Abuja. There are some names as Ayokolo and My Sama. There is also Panya and Jabu, and also Aso and Zuma rocks made mention in the play. All these are actually altered names from the real names we can actually find in Abuja, Nigeria. So the play is set in the fictitious names made up by Frank Ogbeche to actually drive home the message that it was set in Nigeria and Abuja precisely. So for the style and language, the play has 8 scenes. You know, it is a play, so it's made up of acts and scenes, and it has 8 scenes and acts, and it makes use of pidgin English. The pidgin English factor comes up in the play to drive home the fact that there are some places in Nigeria that actually make use of this sort of language, which is called pidgin English. You tend to see this language used by the market women, especially when Alowo and Ogei goes to the market to buy stuff from the market sellers. So it made use of pidgin English language to drive home the fact that these are local languages used by Nigerians. And also it made use of irony. Chief Aloho and Ochole are ironical in this play, in the sense that Chief paints himself as a good and upright official in the society, whereas he does all sorts of atrocities namely like drug peddling. He does human trafficking, and he's so corrupt he embezzles money in his ministry of the external affairs in Nigeria. And also another style used by Frank Ogbeche is conflict. There is conflict between Aloho and Ogehi. The conflict that Aloho, being a once good and upright Christian, backslided, and then she actually got the result of her backsliding. And then the upright nature of Ogehi, who is a very devoted Christian, and actually she is unwavering in her faith. So this is pretty much the setting, style and language used by Frank Ogbeche in Harvest of Corruption. In the next video, we'll be treating the themes embedded in Harvest of Corruption.